Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and basic integrity. Plug the scale in, check the battery voltage, and replace a blown fuse immediately. Once powered, test for response while the display warms. A dead display suggests power or board issues. Next, remove the platform and visually inspect the load cell, connectors, and wiring for corrosion or loose screws. Make sure to have a multimeter, contact cleaner, and replacement parts ready so you can proceed to electrical diagnostics without delay. You now diagnose the load cell and electronics systematically. First, measure the load cell resistance and bridge balance. Inconsistent or open readings indicate a cracked cell or broken wire. Then, inspect the main board for cold solder joints, bulging capacitors, or missing excitation voltage. Those faults undermine ADC readings. Once done, place a known weight, such as 1 kg, on the platform and trace the signal from the cell to the ADC with your multimeter. You complete repairs by replacing faulty components and redoing any poor solder joints. Observe correct polarity and apply proper torque to mechanical fasteners. After reassembly, power on and perform an auto zero, then calibrate using 2 known weights, 1 low, 1 high for accuracy. Make sure to verify repeatability across multiple trials. If readings remain unstable, check grounding and cable shielding, and monitor temperature drift as the key troubleshooting tip. Thermal shifts often cause wandering readings, so isolate or compensate for ambient changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.